Greetings. Today we present to you Havells' top-of-the-line sandwich grill, the Toastino. Let's get cracking on the unboxing, shall we? We have so much to see in this product that there's no time to be wasted. The user manual comes first. It's full of information needed for you to know everything about your brand new Toastino. Here you can already see parts of this thing of beauty. Slowly take the casing out and open it up to finally get your hands on the Toastino. The Toastino has a stylish stainless steel top cover which is rust-free and great to look at. Now don't you just hate it when the bread gets stuck to the grill of your sandwich grill? The Toastino boasts of a non-stick food-grade Whitford plates. The deeper grooves are perfect for those extra-filled sandwiches you would want to make. And now you don't have to worry about the content falling off because the Toastino comes with a lock feature which secures all the filling where it should be. It also has an easy-to-read power indicator for power on and preheat function for convenience. The Toastino operates on 700 watts and is fitted with a 6-ampere 3-pin plug top. Looking for some peace of mind to go with your grill sandwiches? The Toastino also comes with a 2-year warranty on its element and thermostat. So what are you waiting for? The Toastino is the perfect sandwich grill for your kitchen. Grab one today.